Let's check on the weather conditions here in Korea and other travel destinations around the world with our Kwon So-ah standing by at the Weather Center. Hello, So-ah.
Hi, Jie. Did you know that we saw the first ice of the year this morning?
Well, has it been that cold? That's a surprise.
Yeah, well, only in some mountainous regions because temperatures dropped dramatically overnight. In fact, the morning low plunged to 0.2 degrees Celsius in Daegwallyeong this morning, which led to the first freeze of the season. Now, beginning tomorrow, it also looks like we'll have a slight drop in daytime temperatures and an increase in clouds. Our nation will be at the edge of a high pressure front from central China, so it'll gradually get cloudy beginning in the west coast regions. Now, temperature-wise, some mountainous regions in Gangwon and North Gyeongsang province may drop to the freezing point again. So let's take a closer look at the readings. The capital Seoul will wake up to 14 degrees and rise to 23 later on, which will be slightly cooler than today. Daegu and Gwangju should range between 13 and 25, while Busan's morning low will be slightly higher. And no big change in Daejeon with a low of 12 degrees and a high of 24. 23 for Jeju Island, 22 for Dokdo, and 16 for Mount Kumgang. And now let's take a look at the international weather. Starting off in Asia, typhoon warnings are in effect in Japan due to Typhoon Maliksi, which is moving along the northeastern Pacific coast. Now, Tokyo will see the effects until tomorrow morning, but the sun should be out later in the day. Beijing, Islamabad, and New Delhi will all be sunny, while a mix of sun and clouds and seasonal thunderstorms prevail in Southeast Asia. Down under, Perth can enjoy a mild sunny day, though some Sydney will feel much hotter, but temperatures plunge over the weekend, so be ready. It'll be a little windy down in Wellington with increasing clouds. Over to North America, where Montreal can expect some showers, most likely in the latter half of the day. Temperatures vary a lot across the U.S., with Chicago only making it to the mid-teens. New York and Washington will be on the warm side. In LA, where it has been scorching hot lately, it'll cool off a little bit. Apart from the usual gray skies, Bogota in South America has some morning showers in store. Much sunnier in Lima and much hotter in Rio de Janeiro. Sao Paulo may see some isolated thunderstorms here and there. And Buenos Aires is one of the most pleasant spots these days, but without as much as sun this Friday. Looks like the work week ends with rain again in several parts of Europe, including in Moscow in the afternoon and London more likely in the morning. Now, even though the rain will fall for a short period there, it may be heavy at times, so be prepared. Down in Madrid, it's warming up again. Skies over Africa will be covered with a blanket of clouds at times, but not so much in Tripoli or down in Cape Town, where the sun should shine to its fullest. And that completes the weather forecast for now.
Thank you, So-ah. And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you all then.